All right, guys, it is the next day. Me and my brother are about to go riding. Actually, well, it's 2 days after because yesterday we had to do some stuff. And after school, whole day, and we had to get him a helmet too. I don't know where oh, there it is. Went to Cycle Gear, got him a sweet helmet, gloves. Oop. But yeah, we didn't really ride at all yesterday. Just a little bit up and down the road. So we're about to take him out and do some very thorough testing.
Yep.
See you there. All right, we are at the viewing spot and we got both the bikes out here. Don't they look absolutely incredible next to each other? All right, so he's gonna hop on the bike and take it for a little spin. You can hear what it sounds like. It's got a lot of compression, actually, which is kind of interesting. See?
Oh god.
Yeah, it's a semi-automatic, so no clutch. Sounds pretty decent. We're gonna do a speed test in a little bit here. He loves that thing so much. Dude, it's so weird.
I think it means not having to use clutch.
It's so easy to wheelie. All right, let's go on the trails. Let's go to the roundabout.